Ever lost trying to pick the right hairstyle? Believe me, you are not alone. Choosing a haircut that suits your look and personality can be more difficult than it seems. But here's the good news. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to choose a hairstyle that brings out your best. I will also share some common mistakes that most people make with their hair and how to avoid them so you are looking your best. Understanding face shape. Okay, so first things first, let's figure out your face shape. It may seem complicated, but it's actually quite simple. Just check your forehead, cheekbones, and jaw width. This is a big deal because it can completely change which styles look best on you. You can pull off pretty much any style, hair type, and texture. Now, let's talk about hairstyles. Whether your hair is thick, fine, curly, or straight, it's going to make a difference in which styles work best for you. Curly hair? A long cut can be your friend because it shows. Straight hair is your best friend from that natural volume. And remember, the products you use should keep your hairstyle fresh. Lifestyle and maintenance. Your hairstyle should also work with your lifestyle, right? If you're busy or don't like to spend a lot of time styling, go for a low maintenance cut like a bun or short crop. But if you don't do a bit of work, you can definitely try something with more layers or even go for a medium length. Bottom line, choose a style that fits your daily routine. You will be happier with it. Choosing a hairstyle that suits your personality. Let's be real, your hair should say something about who you are. If you're cool, maybe go for something casual and simple. Feeling brave? Maybe try a fade or even an undercut. A look at the classic look can be a side piece to finding a style that suits you. Common hairstyle mistakes. Well, let's cover some common mistakes. A big one, ignoring your face shape or hair texture and copying someone else's style. It rarely works. Another one, overdoing it on products. Trust me, no one likes a greasy look. And hey, if you've had the same hairstyle since high school, maybe it's time for a change. Enhancing attractiveness through hairstyles. Here are a few quick tips if you want to turn some heads. Add some volume if your hair can handle it. Small tricks like changing your part or cleaning up your sideburns can make a huge difference. And whatever style you choose, healthy hair is always the goal, so don't skip basic hair. Finding the right barber or stylish. Looking for the right barber? Game changer. Ask around, look at reviews, or get a recommendation from a friend. And don't just sit there in the chair. Bring a picture or two of your favorite style. A good barber will help you find the best version of that look for you. Product recommendations. Let's talk about products quickly. If you have fine hair, stick to something light like Moulsey. For thick hair, a good pomade or wax should do the trick. And whatever you use, start small. You can always add more, but you don't want to overdo it. So a few hard steps and you are on your way to finding a hairstyle that will make you look and feel your best. Give these tips a try, experiment a bit and see what works for you. And hey, tell me in the comments what style you are thinking of using or which tip was most helpful, and I'll see you guys. Be the first to get more such videos like this. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.